Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about what is conference call. So let's go your Google Drive and search in search bar what is a conference call. Type here conference call. So there is many websites you can see what is a conference call. And tap on this website. What is conference call? A conference call is a telephone meeting participant dial in using conference beret number with contacts them a common virtual meeting room that can be joined by people almost anywhere in the world. The meeting organization may also call participation individually to add them to participate to add them to the conference line. A participant known as Hope conferencing in addition to common dial-in number providing via email or calendar, the conference call organized may also supply a brick URL. This link can connect callers to web conferencing services through which they may use computer audio and possibly access other types of media and tools including screen sharing, video, video chat, and instant message platforms. Conference calls have also been important for connecting connecting employees with each other and for helping a company reach external parties such as its customer and business partners. However, their importance have greatly increased as more organizations have come to rely on telecustomer and mobile employees will also expanding their geographical presence through branch offices in additional traditional traditional conference calls are evolving to encompass more modern features such as video conferencing, screen sharing, detail with boarding and more. So guys, I am tell you about what is conference call. So in this video I have a tutorial about conference call. You can hear my voice. So thanks for watching my video. Let's meet my next video.